All right, guys, welcome to Stateroom 11300. This is going to be our room for our week on Harmony of the Seas. So I want to give you guys a tour and let you see what it's all about. So if you are booking a balcony here on Harmony, then you kind of know what you're getting into. So let's get started. So as you can see, when you walk in the room right here, just a great layout, super great spacious room. On my left-hand side, they do have a key card slot here. So it's a ship that's within 10 years old or so, I'd say. So it still has the little key card slot. You got to keep a card in to keep the lights on. So over here on the right-hand side, got a full-length mirror, a nice bit of space right here, and the bathroom's on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and go check it out. So watch step when you go in. You got a little step up there. And there's also your heat and air controls there too as well, little dial. So we got the classic round shower here. As you can see, toilet, shelving space, sink, mirror, more shelves. So actually it's, like I said, pretty spacious. Round shower here. We had our beds separated into twins. So they did put a little nightstand in between, so if you're cruising with somebody and you want a twin bed, then you can get it. There is a wardrobe here on the left-hand side of the bed with some shelf space and a safe. A couple pull-out drawers to store stuff in. Your phone, a little creaky. Your flat screen TV. A little bit of storage underneath it. Got another wardrobe here on the right side of the bed. This one is more hanging space, and you can stack stuff as well. Then we have our couch. We've kind of piled some of our stuff on it. We bought a couple souvenirs to take home with us, but nice deep couch space, some wall art, and now your vanity space. So we ordered some waters to keep with us during the trip, but you got 4 pull-out drawers here, little breakfast menus, etc. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, you got a hair dryer in there, some tissues, and then here looks like you got a fridge. It's got a little padlock on it, so yeah, if you need that, you can store stuff in it as well. At the vanity here, like I said, you got some nice shelf space. There's your outlets, so you can see what you got, what you're working with. Little chair to sit at and a trash can. So now for my favorite part, the balcony. Let's turn this handle. Always want to keep that locked when you got the door closed so your AC doesn't shut off. So let's lock her up. Okay, so here is our view. 11300 is an unobstructed view balcony. We're on the port side here, looking out at Galveston. Going to be leaving here in about an hour. Getting excited. And you get 2 chairs, a little table, and you get some little footrests that pull out so you can kick your feet back. So yeah, overall, really like the room. I will say this ship is fixing to go into dry dock, so it's a little dated. There's definitely some spots that need work, but Royal does a great job keeping their ships clean. The room is very clean, very nice. But like I said, it is ready to go into dry dock and get a few updates. But overall, great room. If you're looking to book Harmony of the Seas, definitely consider a balcony if you can. We love it. We love just being able to sit out here and enjoy the water and have that fresh air anytime we want it when we are in the room. So hope you guys enjoyed that room tour. I hope it helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe, like if this helped you in any way. Let us know what you think, and if you are cruising on Harmony of the Seas in a balcony, then maybe this gave you a little sneak peek of what your room may look like on your trip.